Hello, good morning, friends. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today, let us learn the first poem in your syllabus. What a bird thought. We all think something, even you also must be thinking something. What do you think? Do you think the same thing what the bird thinks? Today, a bird thinks something. What? Let us learn in this poem. The bird says, I lived first in a little house. Where did the bird first live? In a little house. Okay. And lived there very well. How did he live there? He lived very well. Means he lived there very happily. But how was the world? He says, the world to me was small and round. His world was very small and it was round in shape and made of pale blue shell. Shell. The pale blue shell is called to the egg, in which the bird was in the egg. The color of the egg was pale blue, not dark blue, but pale blue, and outer covering is called as the shell. This was the life of the bird in the starting. He lived in a little house, and in the little house he lived very well. At that time, his world was very small, as it was in the very small egg, and the color of the egg, or in other words, his world was pale blue shell. I hope you have understood the first stanza of this poem. Coming to the second stanza, the bird says, I lived next in a little nest. Now this very small bird came out of the egg. The egg was hatched and a new bird came out of the egg. Now it is living in the nest, a small nest which is the house of the birds. Nor needed any other. He did not need anything else than the small nest. That was all his world. I thought the world was made of straw. What is a straw? Straw is small sticks. The birds make their nest by using the small sticks. The whole world of the bird was now made up of straws, and he thought that this is all the world for him, and covered by my mother. When it was in the nest, the mother bird used to keep the small baby bird under the wings of the mother bird. So he says he was totally covered by his mother, and his world was nothing more than or bigger than the nest, which is made up of small sticks or straw. So first, his world was small and round and was pale blue shell. Next, his world was made up of straw, and maximum time he was covered by his mother, that is the wings of the mother. Then again the bird was grown up. One day I fluttered from the nest. You must have seen the small baby birds. They start flying. First they just fly from their nest to some other branch. Now the bird started flying. Not so much high flying, but little started fluttering. Fluttering is the just efforts to start flying. So he started his efforts to fly, and he came out of the nest, and he saw what? What he could see and find is for that The world is made of leaves. Now, from the nest, he came to the different branches of the trees. Now, he saw all the different green, beautiful branches, and he was amongst the leaves of the trees. And he thought that this whole leaves is the world. I have been very blind. But he understood that he was just blind to the world till today, because the world was changing. First, his world was just a small shell. Next, his world was the nest. Then he thought the world was his leaves. But all through these days, his eyes were not so open. That's why he says that till today I have been just blind, because next he understood. At last I flew beyond the tree. When I went out of the tree to the greater and bigger world, he saw the blue sky, very big sky. It was unlimited. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Really, this small bird got confused, and now he was unable to tell that what is this world made up of. And then he questions the readers. Can you tell me what is this world made up of? Definitely it's a worthy question to ask. Now you children, tell me, what is this world made up of? Yes, probably you are all right. This world is made up of number of things, lot of things, innumerable things, uncountable things. You cannot guess this world is made up of how many things. It is beyond our imagination. Such a big world we are all living in. And thank God that we all have got the chance to live in such a beautiful, huge world. Have you understood the poem? Yes, definitely you must have understood it. Let us learn the pairs of rhyming words here. In the first stanza, the last word is house, then second line last word well, third line last word is round, and the fourth line last word is shell. So here the rhyming words are well and shell, which rhyme with each other. In the second stanza, I live next in a little nest, not needed any other. I thought the world was made up of straw and covered my mother. Here, the rhyming words are other and mother. In the third stanza, one day I floated from the nest to see what I could find. I say the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. So here, blind and find. These are the pairs of rhyming words. At last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. And now how the world is really made, I can't tell you. Can you? So here, blue and you are the words which rhyme with each other. In this way, the poem comes to an end. We will have to write our impressions and about our understanding in the questions given in your textbook in the exercise. So just read the exercise and answer the questions. Thank you very much.